Alright, I'm gonna try Keith Whitley's I'm No Stranger to the Rain. I'm no stranger to the rain. I'm a friend of thunder. Friend, is it any wonder lightning strikes me? I've fought with the devil, got down on his level, but I never gave in, so he gave up on me. I'm no stranger to the rain. I can spot bad weather and I'm good at finding shelter in a downpour. I've been sacrificed by brothers and crucified by lovers, but all I withstood the pain. I'm no stranger to the rain. But when I get that foggy feeling, when I'm feeling down, if I don't keep my head up, I may drown. But it's hard to keep believing that I'll even come out even when rain keeps beating that hole in the ground. Tonight it's really coming down. I'm no stranger to the rain, but there'll always be tomorrow, and I'll beg, steal and borrow a little sunshine. And I'll put this cloud behind me, that's the way that man designed me, to ride a wind and dance a hurricane. I'm no stranger to the rain. No, I'm no stranger to the rain. I'm no stranger to the rain. I'm a friend of thunder. Friend, is it any wonder lightning strikes me? And I'll put that cloud behind me, that's the way the man designed me, to ride the wind and dance a hurricane. I'm no stranger to the rain. No, I'm no stranger to the rain.